Hello, this is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team, and I want to be the first one to wish you a Happy New Year's. So with the New Year's, we've got a lot of exciting changes happening with FHA. One of the most exciting changes that have happened with FHA this year is that we've got an increase on the loan limit by at least $65,000. So currently FHA is at $356 as the maximum base loan amount. However, that's actually going to be increasing to over $420,000. And if you're in higher cost states, it can even go as high as $700,000. You know, some of the major questions that we're always asked is like, hey, I'm trying to buy a duplex or a triplex or a quadplex. With the FHA loan, the beauty of it is that all we need is 3.5% down on those properties. If you were looking at a conventional loan, it would require a minimum of 25% down. Another thing that's exciting about the FHA loans is if you're buying a multi-unit property, the loan limits are actually pretty high. So we recently did a loan for a customer in Hawaii for over $1 million on a fourplex. Those are jumbo loan limits typically, but FHA is way more favorable to multifamily units. The closing cost, you can ask for up to 6%. So that's going to help you as a consumer bring less out of pocket. With conventional, there are definitely guidelines based on how much you're going to put down. And if we're comparing apples to apples, let's say a 3% down conventional or 5% down conventional, you're only going to be able to ask for 3% in closing costs, whereas in FHA, you can ask for 6%. And I think one of the biggest benefits of having these government loans is their appraisal. The appraisal process is extremely consumer friendly. With an appraisal, that is a report that a third-party vendor gives you that tells you what the property is worth. And then they're also looking at the condition of the property based on a safety, sanitary, or structural point of view. So if there's any repairs that need to be made, it's going to be put on the appraisal, and the seller's typically going to have to, accept it. And, sometimes if a seller really wants to put the house back on the market, the good thing is that appraisal that you just ordered from the FHA is going to go with the property regardless of what lender goes with it. So there's a lot of things on an FHA loan that, as a consumer, you should definitely know about. And we are very seasoned and versed in the FHA loans. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at 757-478-8493, and we would love to help you out. And once again, Happy New Year's and welcome to 2022.